Let's take a look at section 7.4, and 7.4 has to do with the in operator. And it's just a little in, and this is a great operator for us to be able to use for Boolean stuff. So true or false. So looking for something that's in a list, you can use in, and don't forget you can also use not in, just to depends on how you choose to write the code. So let's take a look at an example, and then I'll show you a piece in Python Tutor. So take a look at this code here. So in this one, we're looking for, we've got a variable right here, variable name called search. We're looking for an integer. So we're assuming that if we're using this with the list, that the value we're looking for also in the list that they're stored as ints. And you'll see in a second a string. But what we're doing here is we're saying, okay, we're asking the user to enter a product number. Then we're coming down here and we're saying if the variable search is in product nums, which is the name of our list that you can't see because we're only seeing part of the code, then okay, yes, it was found in the list. If not, then it wasn't found in the list. So let's take a look at this link. Here we are with the code. So here is product nums or prod nums, and these are strings this time. So these are strings, and you can see there's no int here anymore. And we're just saying, okay, go ahead, enter a product number or a string value for whatever we think these might be. Okay, so and in that it's the same kind of a thing. So if search, which is right here, is in product nums, then we can say yes, it was found in the list. And you'll see there's a homework problem you have that goes kind of right along with this. So anyway, let's watch this work real quickly. I'm going to say next. We're defining main. And then here we go. There's our list. Boom, 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 boom. You notice they are in quotes because they're strings. And I'm going to enter a product number. Now, I don't know what this is. I know it's a string. I'm going to put whatever I want in there. I'm going to say submit. And it goes down and it's like, wait a second. That was not found in the list. Okay, let's try it again. Back to edit, go back to visualize, hit next again. And here we're creating the value there. Now, this time when I type one in, I'm going to type one in that's in here. So I know R688 is in there because I could check this in here. So R688. Hit submit. And this time it's going to find it. And we're going to say, yes, that was found in the list. Okay, so that's a very quick look at the in operator, but it is very useful. And again, like I said, you're going to use it on one of your homework programs that you're going to work on. So anyway, so hopefully play with the code a little bit, but you'll see this one's not too bad to figure out.